We've made our business successful by really focusing on impeccable service. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share an incredible review with you right now. And as much as we know how much effort we put into giving everyone a first-class experience, hearing about them firsthand pushes us to do better. It means so much to us that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. Let us help you with our excellent service, backed by our years of experience. Come and see us today. So why wait? Contact us today at the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.